Igbos, did you people saw how some Hausa people do protests in Abuja today? They came out and do protests because how we came are demolishing their houses. They came out to tell him to stop it. But I want to ask you Igbos, all the properties of Igbos that are demolition in Lagos, how many times that Igbos came out to do protests? Tell Governor Sanwo-Olu and Tinubu they should stop what they are doing, because this thing they are doing in Lagos, they know what they are doing. After they know what they are doing, the evidence is there. The evidence is there. Do you not see that pastor, Yoruba man? He came to Yoruba, he came meet him in Yoruba land, and they are doing meeting against the Igbos. That Igbos have bought many places in Lagos. They are planning how they will take those property that Igbos have bought in Lagos. And the man stood up, told them, no, the man is a pastor. No, I will not support this. The man left them from that meeting. That is what we call Christianity. Because as you see me, I will not do any evil plan against Yoruba or Hausa person. No, I will not do evil plan against anybody. That is what we call Christianity. After everything, they demolishing their houses, their shop, and when they demolishing it, they will take it from Igbos. How many times that Igbo that came out to do protests to tell Governor Sanwo-Olu and President Tinubu they should stop what they are doing? What you people are doing on social media in our saga, useless saga, nonsense saga, on saga on social media. Now after on social media, some of Igbos Mandu collapse Mandu BP Bulu because of how they build 500 million naira, they spend 500 million naira, 600 million naira, 700 million naira build house, and they just demolishing it, take it. Some of them die, collapse. The evidence is there. How many of you people Igbo, this banner that you are seeing here, I came out, do protest only me. Nobody joined me. I did it alone. The last 8 months ago or something like that, or last year, I came out to do protest only me. Because Igbos, all of you are keeping quiet. Nobody want to talk. Nobody want to talk. All the Igbos in Lagos, everybody keep quiet. Nobody want to talk. Nobody want to talk. That is why this man that you are seeing, hey, listen. Listen to me. If you are an Igbo man or woman and you are living in Lagos, Igbo no Lagos, this man that is why now the canon hard voice. Because Igbo I do stubborn. Igbo is a stubborn. Now this man who wanted to demolish all the houses in Igbo, now persecuting Igbo on a presidential election. Igbo no Lagos obedient, and some of Yorubas stood up, persecuting and maltreating Igbos in Lagos. And this man stood up, said no, he will not be here. And these people are persecuting my brothers, my sisters here. He said that I will call my brothers and my sisters. He will call the IPOP people in Lagos to secure the Igbo's business. And the Governor Sanwo-Olu alleged this man. And the same Governor Sanwo-Olu, his brothers are fighting for their freedom. Oduduwa. How many Oduduwa people Governor Sanwo-Olu arrested? But he arrested this man. When he arrested this man, since that presidential election till today, this man never come out. Governor Sanwo-Olu never released this man. The sin that this man committed is that this man said that he will call the IPOP people to come to Lagos to secure Igbo's business. But since then, all the Igbos in Lagos, I don't want to believe it. The sin that this man committed is that this man stood up, said no. All the maltreating and persecuting that Yorubas are doing to Igbos in Lagos, no. They hang this man, and all of you keep quiet. Believe it. Unemechisi ọnụ, onwere actually ikwu okwu. Unemechisi ọnụ, nobody want to talk, and all of you keep quiet. Una na-eje business on nabata, na-aga school, na-eme big boy and big girl, na-eme fine girl. Mana nwanụ unu nwoke nọ n'ime na-ata afụ. Unemechisi ọnụ, ọhaneze ndị Igbo amekwuzi maka unu. Ekwugonye that ọhaneze ndị Igbo should resign. I will still do that protest. I chose ọhaneze ndị Igbo, I chose ife, I chose ka our mothers, ka ha represent ọhaneze ndị Igbo. Ọhaneze ndị Igbo, they should come out from that place because they are doing nothing. I chose ka our mothers ka ha take over. Ka the mothers of ndị Igbo, ka ha take over, na represent ndị Igbo. Ka ụmụ nwoke nọ jụọ alụ onwe ha na-eme, they are not doing anything. And this man is still inside, and nobody is talking about it. Do you know that I came out to do protest, only me? Nobody joined me to do that protest. Do you know that all the Igbos in Lagos supposed to come out in Lagos to do protest concerning this man? Tell Lagos State governor to release him. But all of you keep quiet. Na-eje me business na anata. Nwoke bini disoro ọtọ ka ọzọ nọ ndụ. Ojide ya. Tinye n'ime unemechisi ọnụ. Unu wundi believe. All the Igbos in Lagos, un melekanda malife, unu behave kanda malife, ebe this man no. All the Igbos in Lagos, unu melekanda malife, mana chọ mi jo no jo weso unu. Unu mekandi believe. Njo nwoke amelebo no stand for you people. Una happy ya no n'ime. In fact, ndị Igbo una adụrụ m imere ife ọma. Una adụrụ m imere.
If you are an Igbo man or woman and you are living in Lagos, you people need to rise up to come out and do peaceful protests to demand Governor Sanwo-Olu to release this innocent Igbo man. And anytime that Yorubas, Governor Sanwo-Olu, anytime they will stand up again to demolish Igbo houses, we are going to rise up to tell them they should stop it. As you see Hausa people do their own in Abuja, tell Governor Wikemu that he should stop what he is doing. So it's the time that we will speak by ourselves. Anytime we see governors doing what is not good, we have the right to rise up to tell them they should stop what they are doing. So Igbo is the time for us to rise up to speak up, because this persecution and the maltreat Igbos in Nigeria is getting out of hand. Thank you and God bless you.